Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a fabric coaster in the hoop with my Janome 500E. So let's get started. The supplies I'm going to be using today is some remnants of natural batting and also a charm pack. And now the machine's going to set the tack down stitch for the fabric. And now with right sides together, I place the fabric over the center diagonal stitching line. And now in the next step in the design, it's going to tack down the top layer and then also add the decorative lines. And now for the back side of the coaster, I cut one of the pieces of the charm pack in half, that's 2.5 inches, and then I fold and sew the seam, approximately 1/4 of an inch. And now with right sides together, place your sewn fabric. And now trim your coaster and turn. And now our coaster is complete. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy sewing. We'll see you next time.